In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make all your Facebook posts private. We all know that privacy is crucial, especially when it comes to social media. Facebook gives you control over who can see your posts, and adjusting these settings can give you peace of mind and enhance your privacy online. So, let's dive into how you can make your Facebook posts private. First, log in to your Facebook account. Once you are in, look at the top right corner of the page. You will see your profile icon there. Give it a click. This will open up a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can control many aspects of your Facebook experience. After clicking Settings and Privacy, a new menu will appear. Here, you'll need to click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage everything from your account information to privacy settings. On the settings page, you'll notice a navigation panel on the left-hand side. Look for the option labeled Posts. Click on it. This is where you can manage who sees your posts and make adjustments to your privacy preferences. Once you're in the Posts section, you should see an option called Who Can See Your Future Posts. Click on it to adjust the audience settings for your future posts. A menu will appear allowing you to select your desired audience. The options typically include Public, Friends, Friends Accept, Specific Friends, and Only Me. If you want to make your posts as private as possible, select Only Me. This ensures that only you can see your posts, providing maximum privacy. After you've selected your preferred audience setting, it's important to save your changes. Look for a Save button and click it once you've made your selection. This will ensure that your new privacy settings are applied to all your future posts. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily make all of your future Facebook posts private, ensuring that your personal information remains secure. Remember, privacy settings are there to help you take control of your online presence, so feel free to adjust them as needed to suit your comfort level. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your online privacy and social media accounts. Have a great day and stay safe online.